Welcome guys, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change the yellow color of the teeth to white pretty easily. Let's begin. So what I've seen most people have been doing is what they do is they just use the brush tool and try whitening the teeth like this, but that is not the right way. The easiest way you can do is you can just make a quick selection like this. I'm using the pen tool. You can try and make the pen to use this. Go to the make selection, then the radius will be 0. Okay, so I hope you have been following until this part. Now go to this, click, then go to hue and saturation. What this will do is this will give you the properties window right here. Now click on this hand icon and choose this color. Saturation will be 0. See, it is pretty taking the effect, right? Increase the lightness, and that's like, okay, close this. So like this is the easiest way you can do this. Let me just show you the before and after this to this. Pretty easy, right? Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Take care.